Hi, it's Mr. Baldhead again. I'm gonna show you how to make a very nice piece of art. So I'm gonna show you uh, something around those lines. So I'm gonna show you how to make that. First you need to do is you need to open up your web browser, go to Chatgpt, and it could be anything really. So let's say if you want like a picture of yourself, let's say that one for example, and I already had my limit already, so just paste it in. So shout out to that person who gave the prompt. I can shout out them, see if I can find a person who actually did that prompt, so I can put it down below. So if you're interested, so it can be anything really. For mine was a Monster Energy can because I drink a lot of Monster. So let's investigate a little bit soon. So the card holding the blister should be like black, for example. I can put the example up. So that is black. So you can see what I did. I tried to do the Monster Energy can, like the text. The text is can be a little bit funky sometimes. It should be the extremely strong one, but it's AI, so it can mess up pretty bad. But they got the Siberia thing pretty well, and the FL Studio logo, and so you basically put your prompt in. You can change to whatever really, and then you just since I hit my daily limit, you can just hit this little arrow button, and once you have your picture sorted out. So yeah. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. You don't miss anything. Many of you wonder like, why isn't any music? The reason is I wanted to test 24H2 again with their update things. I still haven't sorted it out yet, the error messages somehow. So I just went to like Microsoft website and just downloaded an ISO or something like that. So yeah, I had to do that shit all over again. Well, yeah. Anyway, I'm getting out of topic here, so yeah, I hope you liked the video anyway. So see you in the next video. See ya.